Are you dreaming of a beach condo in beautiful St. Augustine? Look no further because I've got one for you right on Crescent Beach. What do you think? What did you love most about that condo? I bet it was the ocean view. If you're interested in learning more, click the link below. Feel free to comment below with any questions, call or email if you prefer. To learn more about the beaches in the area, check out this video right here. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will catch you on the next one.